Reliable Sunshine Asphalt Paving is the trusted paving contractor for Bloomingdale, Florida and beyond, offering top-quality services. With a skilled team and years of experience, we specialize in delivering outstanding paving solutions for residential and commercial properties. Recognizing the uniqueness of each project, we take a personalized approach to cater to our clients' specific needs. Whether it's driveway paving, parking lot installation, asphalt repairs, or seal coating, our focus is on exceptional craftsmanship and unmatched customer service. At Reliable Sunshine Asphalt Paving, we are committed to surpassing expectations and ensuring your complete satisfaction with our paving services. Choose us for reliable results and a seamless experience. Bloomingdale, situated in Hillsborough County, Florida, is a vibrant city with a diverse population. As of 2021, the population of Bloomingdale was approximately 25,000. The city is served by various zip codes, including 33,511, 33,569, and 33,596. Bloomingdale encompasses a range of neighborhoods, each with its own distinctive character. Notable neighborhoods include Bloomingdale Cove, Bloomingdale Ridge, and estates at River Crossing. Choose Reliable Sunshine Asphalt Paving for your asphalt paving needs. Visit our website at https://tampahomeImprovements.com/asphalt-driveway-paving-contractor/ or contact us today at 813-812-0562 for a free estimate and let us transform your property.